Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Getresponse affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Is it real? Can you really make money from their affiliate program? How does it work? How do you promote them, right? Or are there better ways to make money online out there? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link all the way at the bottom and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, okay? Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Getresponse, the affiliate program, to find out if it's a waste of time or if you should be promoting this and making money from it. All right, let's check it out. Now, Getresponse is a very popular email managing software. It is an autoresponder, basically. That's the technical term for it, right? And I've been using Getresponse for many years. Okay, now I think it's a very decent mid-range type of autoresponder. It's not as good as some of the more expensive ones, but if you're just getting started, you're a beginner, or maybe you're an intermediate internet marketer, it's a great autoresponder to use. Okay, it's got okay deliverability rates. They continue to improve. They've got great support, and they have not only become, they're not only an email autoresponder, they've also become sort of like a funnel builder and CRM as well. Okay, so if you come to the pricing, let me just show you this just so that you can get an idea. You will see that there are different pricing rates. Okay, this is in my currency. You would just divide this by 4.5. They do this because they have an office in Malaysia as well, but it's about just under $20 a month for email marketing. This one would be $49 a month for marketing automation, and then for e-commerce it would be a little bit more, like about $100 US. Okay, so you can start with the email marketing. If you want some automation, go with the $49 per month. Otherwise, $20, $19 a month, that's pretty okay too. Okay, now if you want to get access to their affiliate program, what you would do is you would scroll all the way down. Okay, sorry, just let me refresh this. And then what you would do is you just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and right at the bottom you're going to see something under the company section where it says affiliate programs. Okay, so you just click on affiliate programs and then this page is going to pop up. Right now, with their affiliate programs, they've got two great programs to choose from. You either do their regular affiliate program where you're just reselling their affiliate program, their software, and you will get just recurring 50% commissions, up to 50% commissions. You start at 33%, but then if you do 25 sales in 6 months, it'll boost you to 40, and if you do 50 sales in 6 months, you get up to 50%, which is really good. Okay, 33% commissions for a piece of software is really good. 40% and 50% is very good. All right, commissions. And they've got some other bounty programs. I don't really do these ones. I just resell the software. So if you just want to resell the software, the autoresponder, the email managing software, then you would just do it here. You can sign up for free, okay? And you grab your link and you literally just promote it, okay? Now, what are some of the ways that you can promote this program? Well, basically, there are a few ways. You can recommend it to people in the internet marketing space. So if you're already doing some sort of internet marketing, it doesn't matter what you're doing. Every internet marketer or every person that's promoting a business online needs an autoresponder, 100%. Okay, it doesn't matter if they're doing e-commerce or they're doing affiliate marketing or they're doing top tier sales or they're doing MLM or they're selling their own products, physical or digital. It doesn't matter. You need to follow up with people, so you need an autoresponder. All right. So what you could do is, if you are selling or you are doing any sort of internet business, whenever you bring customers in, you can recommend them your Getresponse link so that they can basically sign up for under you. Because if you're selling something and you're like, hey, if you want to just model what I'm doing, here's my link to Getresponse, and then you can generate a commission, right, as an affiliate, and then you can teach them how to use it. You can say, this is how I use Getresponse. Here are some of my campaigns, right? Here's the way I set up. Here's the way I write an email. Here's the way I do a broadcast. So you basically teach them how to do it, and you give them your link for it, and that's how you make commissions from Getresponse. You can also make individual video reviews, for example. Like, this is kind of like a review, right? So I'm reviewing their affiliate program, and then I'm going to leave my link on the bottom. So if you want to give me some credit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my Getresponse link right below in the description. If you want to give me some credit for this video, for showing you this, you can do that, completely up to you. And that's also how you can do it, right? You can create review videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, for example, and when people see it, If they want to click on your link and sign up, you will get a commission. That's how it works, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you how much I've made with Getresponse with their affiliate program. You can see right here that I have generated about $34,451.28. Not bad, okay? This is just a side tool, right? I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this right there, right? So $34,000 reselling a piece of software. This is not even my main program. This is something I do on the side. I recommend this to all of my students who come into my programs because I use it. I use Getresponse. I think it's really good. I've been using it for a long time, and so I'm going to recommend it and show people how I use it. I'm going to give them campaigns. I'm going to show them how to write emails, all that stuff. So I just say, hey, you need a piece of software anyway. You need an autoresponder. Use this one. This is the one I use, and then when they use it, I get a commission for it. And I also do reviews, and again, like I mentioned earlier, I will upload them onto YouTube. I will talk about it, and when people click on the link, I get a commission. So $34,000 for something that's not even my main program is not too bad. Some people don't even make $34,000 a year, okay? So pretty cool for just a piece of software that I use anyway, and it's a great piece of software. It will support any internet business or any business that people are using to promote anything online. As long as you're online, you're gonna need an autoresponder. So this is pretty cool, all right? So I think that Getresponse is really cool. It's a very good piece of software. They continue to innovate, and they continue to do well. And I think that it's definitely something that you should be promoting if you're checking it out. Okay, so again, I'm going to leave you two links. Right, the first one is going to be for my Getresponse. To sign up for Getresponse. If you're not using it as a software and you want to give me some credit, that's going to be the first link. The second link is, how do I actually do this? How did I generate $34,000 just selling a piece of software, a tool that's on the side? This is not even my main, income stream, right? If you want to learn exactly how I do affiliate marketing, I do it in a very specific way, okay? I teach it in a very different way from a lot of other people, and that's how I've been able to generate this kind of commissions from it. If you want to learn from me, you want to see exactly how I resell other people's products in a very strategic way, I've got a free masterclass that will show you how to do that. Just click the link all the way at the bottom, all right? And you can get into my free masterclass and just follow my training. And I'm going to show you how I generate these kind of results. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Getresponse affiliate program. It's got my stamp of approval. It's very, very decent, right? I made a lot of money from it, and you can too if you want. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.